There's so much that we don't know about the natural world. There's so much we can't even imagine. Nature works in ways that we can't even fathom. Biodynamics asks you to imagine things that seem impossible.
Biodynamic farming is simply farming in service of life.
It's not easily understood, and it flies in the face of certainly the agriculture that I had exposed to me as a young farmer.
There's a leap of faith to get into this kind of farming, but when you see the results of it, it's pretty obvious that things are working the way you want them to work.
The moment a farm transitions into biodynamic agriculture, the biodiversity improves, the quality of the food improves, and also the quality of life of the farmers.
It starts with all of the good tenets of organic farming.
We're not spraying anything that is toxic. No herbicides, pesticides, so on and so forth.
Biodynamics, we go a step further in that you're leaving the land better than the way you found it.
At the end of every season, our soil is more fertile than the year before.
It's regenerative farming.
We look at the whole farm as an organism.
Human beings, plants, animals,
Cows or sheep,
Birds and insects,
The life in the soil.
geese, and ducks.
we see them as part of this entire farm ecosystem. Every species around us has a meaning and purpose.
You're no longer at war with your environment, out there trying to kill bugs and weeds, and all of a sudden they're working for you. This is how we need to look at how we're going to produce our food, being part of life on the earth, not conquering life on earth.
Food starts with soil.
We're really farming the soil instead of farming crops. If you have really healthy soil, you can grow anything really well.
Whoa! This is the biggest bee I've ever seen.
The healthier the soil is, that translates into higher nutrition.
There's a real straight line connection between the quality and the flavor and the aroma and the nutrition of foods grown in a biodynamic farm.
There's so much pleasure in eating, but there's so much pleasure in feeling healthy. If we can all contribute to making this mainstream, then it will start to trickle down to communities that don't have access to amazing food, to healthy food.
water, carbon, nitrogen. The plant itself becomes the pump.
Plants can pull carbon out of the air back into the soil.
Every farm is doing its part to help with climate change in its own small way.
We're a major part of what's happening now. And that's why I think this method of farming is the future.
Every penny of biodynamic food that you buy, you are supporting the farmer who is connected to earth, who is not polluting, who is a good custodian of this earth and the humanity.
So that's what we're doing here as a community. We're keeping the water, the soil, the air clean for our kids someday. Are you ready to make an investment in our planet so it can be here for the people we love? Because that's what it takes.